welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really excited to let you guys know about the product which I personally love since I have started using it. I use it twice a day, one in the morning and one in the night. It's the new Clinique ID Targeting Imperfections. So the product comes in this kind of packaging. It's a highly customized product. This custom blend hydration system will provide you the power to hydrate and treat your skin concerns according to the way you want. Basically, it comes in two parts. One is the Clinique ID Dramatically Different Hydrating Clearing Jelly and the other one is the Active Concentrate Cartridge. This jelly is basically the moisturizer or the base and the cartridge that contains the formula which will treat your imperfections or whatever the skin concerns you are facing. It comes like this bottle is separate from this cartridge. What you have to do is you have to insert this cartridge into this base and turn to secure the two together. Your product will be ready. The product can be easily dispensed using the dispenser given here. This dispenser contains two holes. One will dispense your hydration base which will moisturize your skin and the other one will dispense the formula that will treat your imperfections. So in a single pump you get 90% of the hydration base and 10% of the formula. So what you have to do is you have to just take single pump for your entire face. You have to mix both the products on your hand with the help of your fingers and then apply it all your face as well as your neck area. So now let me take you towards the product. How is the product dispensed? What's the consistency? How is the formula? Let me show you. In a single pump you get this much of the product. And you can see both the colors. One is water-like color, water-like jelly, and the other one is in red color. The red shade which you are getting is your formula that will treat your skin concern. You have to just mix both products and apply it all your face. And you can see the consistency of this product is very water-like and it easily gets absorbed in your skin. It's non-oily, non-greasy formula. You don't get any kind of oil on your skin. And you can see the shine it provides to the skin also. So to get the visible results, use it twice a day on a cleansed and exfoliated skin. This product provides 24 hours hydration to the skin and makes your skin glowy and shine. It's a super lightweight formula which treats all your skin concerns without itchiness or drying out your skin. And also yes, it's a oil-free formula which maintains the skin balances. And now let's get to the ingredients of the product. It contains salicylic acid which is very helpful for your acne and treating your uneven skin tone. It also contains glycosamine and hyaluronic acid which acts as a hydrating agent for the skin and provides 24 hours hydration to the skin. The lactobacillus probiotic ferment maintains the skin barrier and take care of the skin from redness, itchiness and irritation. It also contains lactic acid, glycolic acid, green tea, caffeine and fruit extracts which works wonders for our skin. And yes, it's a parabens, phthalates and fragrance free product. It's a dermatologist developed and allergy tested product. And if we talk about the price of the product and the quantity of the product, then we get 125 ml of the product for rupees 3800. Out of which 115 ml is the moisturizer base and the remaining is your formula. And if we talk about the suitability of the product or for which skin type this product is suitable, it is suitable for dry combination, oily combination and oily skin. So guys, if I talk about my review and my personal experience with this product, it was fantastic. It just suited my skin with the first go. As I have a oily skin and this product is a oil-free formula, so this best suits my skin. I use it twice a day, morning and night. I include it in both of my skincare routines, morning skincare routine as well as my night skincare routine. And if I talk about the best way or the best method in which this product can be used, so first of all we have to just wash our face using a mild cleanser, then spray any kind of toner that suits your skin. You can use any toner or you can use gulab gel also. And after that you should go for this moisturizer. And if you are applying it in your morning routine, then you must accompany it with a sunscreen. So guys, this was all about the video. It has done a great job for my skin, and I would definitely recommend you to go for this product as this really works wonder for all the skin types. Do hit the like button and comment down below if you like the video, and do subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and hit the bell icon also so that in future you get all the notifications of all the videos. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.